Bitcoin, Crypto Morning T.A. Good morning, everybody. It's April 29th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your Morning T.A. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. FOMO index has dipped down to 23 from yesterday's 24. Bitcoin dominance is 41.6%. 24-hour volume is 98 billion. The overall market cap is 1.80 trillion. Give or take 100 million. C minor, add the 6 and the 9 over F. You get yourself an old school hustler, not a rich kid who throws dad's money at the wall and something sticks, they call him an entrepreneur. No. If C minor, add the 6 and the 9 over F fails, that's it. It's over. They put everything they had, both time and money, into years of dedication. It's sink or swim time. No friends. No girlfriends, no parties, just a never say die attitude. Hats off, C minor, add the 6 and the 9 over F. We're rooting for you, buddy. Well, as I look at the charts right now, time of production, looks like we're mincing words with that level we talked about yesterday. Key level I'm keeping my eye on is this 39.3. If we get underneath her, we'll probably head down and test support. And said support's at the bottom of our Aunt Viv descending channel at 36.9. I mean, if I just shut my eyes and shake my hands and vibe out the market, I wouldn't say she feels bullish. Now, I wouldn't say there's a lot of bullish indicators, but I love an underdog story. You can almost always count on Bitcoin to behave contrary to market sentiment. Now, if we break this level and end the Cincinnati squeeze, we'll be on the sunless side of all moving averages, which again isn't the most bullish scenario. We've had some decent pressure from the bulls the past couple days, but it feels reactive, like they're reluctantly getting out of bed to fight back, and that's really how I gauge the temperature of the market. Who's proactive? Who's reactive? Are the bulls taking their shots while the bears bite back, or are the bears taking their shots while the bulls bite back? I think it's the latter, unfortunately. Over on the daily, you can see how we're eclipsing that level to keep our eye on, and in general, we can see an overall pattern of lower lows. Yeah, we had a pump out and above our new Aunt Viv resistance line, but our retracement just felt a little more ferocious than our ascent. Ultimately, I care not for bears nor bulls, because this is all day-to-day market noise. This is what she does. And a Bitcoin was some company ran by a human who relied on other humans to produce goods and services, who then relied on more humans to constantly purchase said goods and services. I'd be a lot more cautious, but Bitcoin isn't that. It's a scarce, pristine digital asset that will only go higher and higher with time. She doesn't have a board that meets on the company's time and dime to discuss the past, the present, and the future of the company, diluting its intent with its own self-preservation. If anything, Bitcoin destroys boards and the need for them. Humans regulating humans, has it ever really worked out? Not really. I spent the majority of my life on the outskirts of the economy and the workforce and, well, culture in general, I suppose, because I was hella bearish on where our civilization and culture was heading. People always ask me, pianomattyb, if you care not for bulls nor bears, are you bullish on anything? Or are you bearish on everything? That's a good question, and thanks for asking. But it's simple. I am now, and I've always been, bullish on government incompetency. It's the third tenet of consistency. Death, taxes, and government incompetency. As long as greedy dinosaurs serving their own self-interest to the utter detriment of their fellow man are steering the boat, the boat's gonna sink. It's that simple. There's a part of me that squints my eyes and almost thinks we may be witnessing the start of that sink right now. But again, the reason I care not for bulls nor bears is that I have a financial life preserver. So do you. And yeah, it won't be pretty and a lot of good people aren't gonna make it, but you've done your part. You've tried to inform as many people as you can, but you know how it goes. If you dig it, then click it, the like and subscribe button. That'd be real proper like of y'all. The reason most cases of fraud aren't reported is that people are embarrassed. They got fooled. And instead of admitting it and course correcting, they stay silent, do nothing, and ultimately go down with the ship. No matter what you say, some people are just more comfortable going down with the boat. I know I don't get it either, but it's true. It wasn't until I stumbled upon Bitcoin and its potential that I realized that there still is hope for this little thing, this little mess we've been led into. It can be fixed. We can course correct and remedy humanity. I see it. You see it, and in time, everyone else will see it too. So remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And it's Friday night, so join me tonight at 9:30 for the live dueling pianos. All requests, you got some? Put them in the comment section. And of course, sing me out. I'll run the banks, a boom to spank. Whoa, ching. Have a great weekend, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe.